Which source code management plugin does Jenkins install by default? Now, when you're initially installing Jenkins, you have a couple of options. One of the options is to install suggested plugins. Now, if you take a look at this screenshot was taken from doing an install suggested plugins on Jenkins LTS version 2.426.1. You'll notice here that the Git plugin is installed by default, but you'll also notice that the GitHub branch source plugin is also installed by default. So when you're doing a fresh installation of a Jenkins LTS controller, if you select the Install Suggested Plugins option, then pay attention to this screen and it's going to show you what SCMs are installed by default on Jenkins. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach out to us on Twitter @CloudBees. If this video was helpful to you, give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to CloudBees TV yet, why not? Take a moment, click on that subscribe button, and then ring that bell, and you'll be notified anytime there's new content available on CloudBees TV. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.